The neoliberal policies increase the oppression and the exploitation of the oppressed countries around the world. So it makes the tensions greater. But the war comes not only from the neoliberalism, but from whatever exploitation, whatever imperialist exploitation would take place, even if it were done with a certain amount of social democratic reforms. So there would always be the possibility of a war emanating from the big imperialist powers, because the people around the world want the resources for themselves. They want a share of life. They don't want to continue being exploited. So from that point of view, and also from the point of view of the competition between the imperialist powers, a war could develop even if they didn't practice these new neoliberal policies. But the neoliberal policies intensify the exploitation, so they make more likely to happen quicker. Well, the election of Obama is a contradictory event. He is promoted by the U.S. rulers because he is a very capable politician, and I think that they want him to be able to organize something in the nature of a grand coalition, what would be in a European parliamentary government, a grand coalition. He's an extremely capable politician, and he has a certain amount of popular following now. But he also has awoken an enormous popular mass support who believe that change is possible. They're very enthusiastic because of the victory. So there's now created a situation in the United States where there may be more popular intervention in the political struggle. So it's a contradiction. I don't know what to expect. I don't expect big changes from the Obama government, but that doesn't mean there won't be changes in the United States. I've been in support of socialism all my life, and I believe that people who are for socialism, who have been maybe demoralized by the last 20 years since the loss of the first socialist country in the Soviet Union, that this crisis, as horrible it is for most of the people in the world, is also an opportunity to look for a different solution, to look for a socialist solution, which is really the only way of overcoming this really, really deep crisis. Okay. Well, only to say to the people of Catalonia and to the people of the Spanish state that I hope there are ways that we can continue to increase our solidarity, increase our working together. The imperialists have their organizations like NATO, like the IMF, in order to coordinate their oppression of the world. We, working class organizations and peace organizations, need our international cooperation, and we need to create our structures so that we can fight back against this organization of the imperialists.